Hey bartenders, welcome back to the next session. We will learn behind the back catch in this session.
It is one of the most important and easy basic flair move.
You need to practice 1 hour for 2 days to make this move smooth and perfect. We can make this move in many variations. I will show 2 variations, right to left and left to right behind the head catch and same hand behind the head catch.
We can perform this move with tin and bottle. Equipment should be readily available and make sure it should not be wet while using.
Now I will show you behind the head catch, right to left and left to right. For this step you need to warm up your hands like this. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Practice in front of forehead. Start from the step in front of forehead. Step by step, your hands take and go behind the head. Like this. And final move looks like this. Right to left. Same thing we need to do with left to right. First practice in front of forehead and step by step take your hand behind the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and final move looks like this. Now I am showing same hand behind the head catch. Right to right and left to left. Left to left. For this move we need to practice in front of forehead. Release the shaker, straight grip and grab the shaker, reverse grip. Like this. First practice in front of forehead. Step by step you can take behind the head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Final moves comes like this. Same with left hand. 1, 2, 3, and final 4. Final moves like this. Now I am doing with both the hands. 1, 2, 1, and 2. We can perform same move with bottle also. What we have done with shaker, same thing we need to do with bottle. Make sure you need to grab body of the bottle and grab behind the head, body of the bottle. Release straight and grab reverse. Left to right. Same thing we need to do with left to right. This one right to left. Same move we can perform with same hand behind the head catch. Right to left and left to right. Right to left, left to right. Right to left and left to right. Same hand. Right to right behind the head. Left to left behind the head. Now I am going to show with glass ball. Bye.